Hey guys, in this video, we're going to talk about how you can cancel Amazon Prime membership. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright guys, so first of all, open up your Amazon application on your mobile device and make sure you're logged in with your right account. After setting up your account, you'll be redirected to account's homepage. Now just tap on the person icon at the bottom icon tray. From these options, select your account. You will be presented with a lot of tweaking options that you can use. Now inside the list, scroll down and select memberships under account settings. Here your active membership information will be present. You can cancel your membership by selecting it and then tapping on cancel membership and you're done. That's how you can cancel your Prime membership over on Amazon. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.